Hi guys, welcome to BAI TV. I'm your embroidery assistant, Alan. In today's video, I will show you how to assemble the stand of the mirror. Now, let's get started. First, we will take out the stand from the wooden box. And you will find there is a protective foam on the stand. So now, we just remove the foam. Next, we will use a tool kit. Open the kit, you will find many useful tools inside. And here, we just need to use a hex wrench. Then you need to find the number 4 box. Open the box, you will find there are many accessories inside. There are 4 universal wheels, and 4 long support legs. And 4 shorter support legs. Four white pads and 3 bags of different size screws. Here I needed to remind of you that is number 1 bag is 4 pads, and the number 2 bag is to stand. Number 3 bags is for the universal wheel. Okay, now let's start assemble the stand. First, you can stand the 2 frames and align them in the same position. Then you need to find number 2 pack. Use these screws. We are going to fix this frame with the 2 stand, just like this. Before we assemble the frame, we need to pay attention. Each screw should be paired with a washer, and make sure the smooth side of the washer faces the top of the screw, just like this. Okay, now we can slide down the big frame on the ground. Now we are going to install the support frame, just like this. Next, we will use the hex wrench to fix the screw with the frame. Here you need to pay attention. Please do not tighten the screw too much. Next, just put the installed frame to the other side. Here, please pay attention to the hole. You need to make sure align the hole in both sides. And then we just use the screw to fix. Use a screw wrench to fix the screw. Here, I need to remind of you, do not tighten the screw too much. Still leave it loose because we need to adjust all the position lastly. Now, let's tighten every screw one by one. Be patient. We must make sure every screw was tightened well. We needed to make sure every screw was fixed enough. Now we are going to install the universal wheels. Before that, we need to turn the installed stand upside down. Alright, now let's put the universal wheel on the stand one by one. And then we will use number 3 pack to find the screw and also the washer. Same way, the smooth side of the washer should face to the top of the screw, just like this. Use the screw to fix the universal wheel with the stand. You can put all the 4 screws first. Okay, now you can use a wrench to fix the screw one by one. Make sure every screw was tightened well. With the same operation, we will keep to install the rest of universal wheels. Next, we need to install the support legs. You will find that there are two sizes, one big, one small, and now we just use the big one. Before you install the support leg, you need to rotate the nut until the bottom. Keep to rotate it. Okay, now we just install the leg on the stand. Keep to rotate. Okay, now we have installed all the universal wheels and the support legs on the stand. So now we just turn the stand upside down. Next, we need to put the machine head on the stand. But before that, we need to make sure your location. So when you find the suitable location, we need to fix the support wheel just like this. Keep to rotate it until it reaches to the ground. Next, we will install the pads on the stand one by one. Put the pad on the stand and make sure the hole was aligned. Now we will use the screw in the number 1 pack. Now we will use this wrench to tighten the screw. Make sure it was tightened well. Keep to install the rest pads one by one. Alright, before we take the machine head to the stand, we need to install the support leg on the machine head. Now we are going to install the support leg, and here you need to rotate the nut, reach the top of the leg. Alright. Next, you can let your partner or friend to help you raise up the machine head. And then you just find this part and connect the support leg and rotate it. Keep to rotating until the bottom. Okay. Okay, now the 4 support legs on the machine has been installed. Alright, now let's do the last step. Just take the machine head on the stand. Here you need to make sure the support leg should be inside of the pad. Now the machine stand has been finished. You can put the table on the stand. So that you can put extra items on the table. Now it's time to reset the thread stand. You can turn the switch counterclockwise. And then you just raise up to the top. Hold on and turn the switch clockwise one by one to fix. Okay, finished. Last step, take out the protective foam of the control panel. Alright, that's all for today's video on how to assemble the stand of the mirror. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share it. See you in next time.